Good morning to one and all. This is Lakshmi Prasanna working as a mother teacher in Thala Padmavati International School. I hope you all are happy and safe at home. In the previous class, we have discussed about A to H soundwords in literacy. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about I and J soundwords in literacy. Now, I am going to show you the objects related to letter I. I for ink pot. The sound of I is A. Ink pot. The spelling of ink pot is I-N-K-P-O-T. Ink pot. I for ink. Ink. The spelling of ink is I-N-K. Ink. I for igloo. The sound of I is E. Igloo. The spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Oh, see here children, what is this? Yes, this is an ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. The spelling of ice cream is I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Now, I words. I for ink pot, I for ink, I for igloo, and I for ice cream. J. J for juice. The sound of J is J. Juice. The spelling of juice is J-U-I-C-E. Juice. J for jam. The sound of J is J. Jam. The spelling of jam is J-A-M. Jam. J for jar. The sound of J is J. Jar. The spelling of jar is J-A-R. Jar. J for jacket. The sound of J is J. Jacket. The spelling of jacket is J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. J for joker. Joker. The spelling of joker is J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Now children, say me, where do we see joker? Yes, we see joker in the circus. What is this? Yes, this is a jug. The sound of J is J. Jug. The spelling of jug is J-U-G. Jug. These are J sound words. J for juice, J for jam, J for jar, J for jacket, J for joker, J for joker, J for jug. Thank you. This is Lakshmi Prasanna from Thala Padmavati International